Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you 3 examples of how to differentiate a function using the chain rule. And so starting with part A, we've got y is equal to 8x plus 3 to the power of 4. Now whenever you need to use the chain rule to differentiate a function, it's a good idea to start by writing the chain rule itself. And this is going to be dy dx is equal to dy du times du dx. Then what you want to do is let u equal whatever is inside the brackets. And so inside the brackets we've got 8x plus 3. And so we let u equal 8x plus 3. This gives us a function of u in terms of x. And so deriving this, we're going to get du dx is equal to 8. Then what you need to do is express y as a function of u. And so we're going to let y is equal to u to the power of 4, where u is equal to 8x plus 3. And so deriving this, we're going to get dy du is equal to 4 times u to the power of 3. Now that we have dy du and du dx, we just sub this into the chain rule to work out the derivative. And so dy dx is going to be dy du, which is equal to 4 times u to the power of 3, and then times du dx, which is 8. And so this is equal to 32 u to the power of 3. And finally, we need to replace u back as a function of x. And so this is going to be 32 times 8x plus 3 to the power of 3. Part B. Y is equal to 2x minus 5 to the power of 3. And so to start off with, we're going to let u equal whatever's inside the brackets. And so we let u equal 2x minus 5. Deriving this, we're going to get du dx. And this is going to be 2. Then we need to express y as a function of u. And so y is going to be u to the power of 3, where u is equal to 2x minus 5. And so deriving this, dy du is going to be 3u to the power of 2. And now we just sub this into the chain rule formula. And so therefore, dy dx is going to equal dy du, which is 3 times u squared, and then times du dx, which is 2. And so this is going to be 6 times u to the power of 2. And finally, we just replace u back as a function of x. And so this is going to be 6 times 2x minus 5 to the power of 2. Part C. Y is equal to 4 minus 3x to the power of 5. And so again, we start by letting u equal whatever's inside the brackets. And so if we let u equal 4 minus 3x, then deriving this, we're going to get du dx, and this is going to be minus 3. And we need to express y as a function of u, and so y is going to equal u to the power of 5, where u is equal to 4 minus 3x. And so deriving this, dy du is going to be 5u to the power of 4. And now that we have dy du and du dx, we sub this into the chain rule formula to work out dy dx. And so dy dx is going to be dy du, which is 5u to the power of 4, times du dx, which is minus 3. And so this is going to be minus 15u to the power of 4. And finally, we replace u back as a function of x. And so this is going to be minus 15 times 4 minus 3x to the power of 4. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, then click on the like button or comment below and let me know. And by the way, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Good luck, and I'll see you guys in the next video.